If you want to take control of your YouTube activity, this guide is for you by following a few simple steps. You can turn off or pause your watch history on YouTube. Start by opening the YouTube app on your phone and logging into the account you want to manage. Access your account menu by tapping your profile picture. Then go to Settings and find Manage All History. From there you can easily turn off your watch history. Now tap on Saving your YouTube history. Then tap on Turn Off. Then confirm the decisions. Say goodbye to YouTube tracking your viewing habits and enjoy a fresh experience. Remember to share this helpful guide with others.